People always ask us what advertising is. It's a business of rejection. You have to expect it.
Every damn day.
Every day. I think advertising is like vandalism. It's loud, in your face, and it's still there the next day.
If someone says, this is going to be really funny, don't do that. Don't tell people how to feel. Let them feel through what you have. Brands are allowed to have a social conscience. With Doritos, we did rainbow chips for a gay pride parade, and I think that's what's changed in advertising. You're allowed to bring the social commentary into the brand. That's a big deal. And we're going to talk about a 30-second film.
Hello, for $10,000, who
Any commercial starts with finding the truth within the problem.
We weren't motivated to drink more milk by knowing that it was good for us. Your mom told you that.
I'm afraid your time is almost up.
That was the whole campaign, was making people afraid to run out of milk.
Got milk?
A lot of people think that advertising is telling somebody something that isn't true, but getting them to believe it. That's not what we do.
We understand it's art serving capitalism, but we want to be artists in a business world. Advertising is so fluid, there is no consistency that this is what you should be doing. The key is to be fearless. You're not going to be right all the time. Just put your heart into something you feel good about.
You have to have a little fire burning inside yourself, and you have to be open to the world.
Come and challenge us. We want it.
Bring it. I'm Goodby.
And I'm Silverstein.
And this is our MasterClass.